Peace. Welcome back to the Absolute Boss Collective. This is the magnificent $500 challenge. I got 14 trades to share with y'all. Okay? So we're going to jump right into it. I had the IWM 723 224 call at 340 and 51 cents. I was out of that trade at 397.48 for a profit of $56.97 or 16.73%. Next up, well, the next three are going to be on the NASDAQ. Triple Qs, 721 364 call at 305.51, out at 337.48 for a profit of $31.97 or 10.46%. Next, the 364 call again, in it at 337.51, out at 372.48 for a profit of $34.97 or 10.36%. And the July 30th put, 471.51, out at 581.48 for a profit of $109.97 or 23.32%. Next up, I have Zella, XELA, 50 shares at $4.45 or $222.50, out at $5.16 or $258.08 for a profit of $35.56 or 15.98%. Next, we have the SPY, August 2nd, 434 put, in it at 380.51, out at 423.48 for a profit of $42.97 or 11.29%. Next, we're back on that Russell IWM, August 6, 221 put at 426.51, out at 461.48 for a profit of $34.97 or 8.19%. Again in the Russell 223 put at 448.51, out at 480.48 for a profit of $31.97 or 7.12%. Next, we have the Russell again, 220 put, in it at 493.51, out at 593.48 for a profit of $99.97 or 20.25%. Next, we have the SPY. That's my baby there, SPY. August 4th, 435 put, in it at 397.51, out at 495.48 for a profit of $97.97 or 24.64%. Then we have the next three are also on the SPY. I have the August 4th, 434 put, in it at 465.51, out at 505.48 for a profit of $39.97 or 8.58%. August 6th, 435 put, in it at 485.51, out at 553.48, profit of $67.97 or 13.99%. August 9th, 432 put, in it at 480.51, out at 528.48 for a profit of $47.97 or 9.98%. Lastly, SPY, once again, July 19th, 435 call, in it at 160.51, out at 191.48 for a profit of $30.97 or 19.29%. Add all of those magnificent trades up, comes to $764.17 or 152% on $500. 152%. Okay, this video is dedicated to the diabolical Biz Markie who we lost on Friday. Okay, rest in peace. Sending love and support to his family, friends, and fans. If you're new to the Absolute Boss Collective, hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can know when I come out with more $500 challenge videos. And be prepared, because I'm coming with something real special to help you get your trade game on. This is your brother in trading and investing, Absolute, signing out for the Absolute Boss Collective. Peace.